You know, when I wrote the book, Visionistics, The Process of Success, I really struggled with the title because the word success is such an emotionally charged word. For some people, it's all about money and business and that sort of thing. And for others, it's more about education or achievements or goals. Well, I think success really boils down to one simple little thing: happiness. Being content with where you are, what you have, who you are. That is success. That feeling of satisfaction in your heart that you are where you want to be. And in my book, I hopefully gave people a simple way to get there, a simple process, a step-by-step method of getting to that point where you can say, I am happy. That is the most beautiful definition of success that I can think of. And hopefully, my simple little method will help you get there. It's all about vision, the feeling part, feeling it in your heart. It's about strategies, the thinking part, making some plans. It's about tactics, the doing part, because if you don't do it, you're never going to get there, right? And it's about ethics, the guiding part, because we're always going to be faced with having to make important decisions in our life. Visionistics is the process of success because it can help you eliminate the obstacles that are keeping you from truly experiencing happiness. And that, in my mind, is success.